Did you know if your Android can detect theft and set for security measures after theft detection? Now, before showing you how to set for this, let me tell you how this works. Theft detection is a security feature that uses artificial intelligence and the phone's motion sensors to detect suspicious movements that may indicate the device has been stolen. For example, if someone suddenly grabs your phone from your hand and quickly runs, rides a motorcycle, or drives off with it, the phone can recognize these unusual movements. When this happens, the device may automatically lock the screen to help protect your personal data from unauthorized access. The feature works by analyzing information from sensors such as the accelerometer and gyroscope, along with other device signals, to identify behavior commonly associated with theft. Now, let me show you how you can set for this on your Android device. First, you will open Setting on your Android. Scroll down to search for Google here below and open it. After there, you will select the Site for All Services instead of Recommended. Then scroll down to search for Theft Detection here below and click it. Now here you will be shown how it works, and you will need to turn on Theft Detection Lock here and Offline Device Lock. Offline Device Lock will help you if a thief steals your device and turns off mobile data or Wi-Fi to prevent tracking. The feature can detect that the phone has gone offline unexpectedly. And here, there are some of security features I would like to share with you today. So stay tuned and continue watching this until the end. Here we have sensitive content warnings. Sensitive content warning is a privacy and safety feature that helps protect users from viewing or sharing potentially inappropriate, explicit, or sensitive images. The feature uses on-device machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze images and detect content that may contain nudity or other sensitive material. When such content is detected, the image may be blurred and a warning message is displayed before the user views it. Now, here is how you can set for this. You will visit Google on your Android setting list, and you will click on All Services. And here you will scroll down to search for sensitive content warnings. You will click on. As you can observe here, this can't work if Android System Safety not yet installed in your Android system. So what we will do here is to perform installation first. Now we will click here to install it from a Google Play Store. Now this is Android System Safety Core. Now is installed in my device so that it can perform sensitive content warnings. Now, after installation, you will return back to continue with setting. Now here you will turn on warnings in Google Messages. Now, the next one is Unknown Tracker Alert. Unknown Tracker Alerts is a security feature that helps detect and warn you if an unknown Bluetooth tracking device is moving with you without your knowledge. For example, if someone secretly places a Bluetooth tracker in your bag, car, or personal belongings, your phone can detect that the tracker has been traveling with you for some time. When this happens, you may receive an alert notifying you about the unknown tracker. The feature uses Bluetooth technology to identify nearby tracking devices and analyzes whether a tracker that does not belong to you is consistently moving with your device. If suspicious tracking behavior is detected, the phone can show information about the tracker and may provide options to locate it or stop it from tracking you. Subscribe to SKILLNOVA Digital to get more tech tips like these I prepared for you today, and turn on notifications so you cannot miss any kind of these smartphone tutorials. More advanced tutorials are coming soon, so get well prepared for them. Thank you for watching and continue watching more videos from this channel.